Hey guys, Bill Crusher's here. I'm on. Jesus Christ, your phone's bad.
Gee, Ola, you can't swear. This is a.
Okay, so he's about to light a bomb.
It's not homemade.
Yeah, it's not homemade.
Really,
I know. I will. Just.
It won't spell.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Ah! Oh god. Oh my god, dude, the trench is on fire. Oh my god!
No way, is it?
Dude,
No,
your
it's
mom's
not.
gonna be pissed.
It's just a big smoke cloud, though.
That's kind of fun. You want to do the other one?
Yeah, sure.
I want to light this one.
Alright. We didn't get the unique. Oh, we did not. Now that I think about it.
You hold the phone this time.
Yeah. Oh, jeez.
Ready when you are.
Alright, count it down. Yeah. Don't hold the wire. That'll burn you.
Okay, ready? 10, 9,
Dude.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You could see the shrapnel or whatever it's called. Oh gosh. It's like a big smoke cloud. Yeah. Yeah, it's plastic shrapnel. Mom's just like, what are they doing?
Those dumbasses.
Alright, well, we've used all our grenades. All of them.
Yep.
Those are pretty effective, not gonna lie.
Yeah, but how did you get those anyway?
My uncle.
Can he get you more?
I don't think so. It's not the right time anymore.
You can probably just buy them online. We should have looked at the name of them before we looked them up.
They were small motors, whatever. Well, that was fun.
Yeah.
It covered like this whole area, so they're pretty effective.
Yeah.
Hmm?
I said, yeah.
Oh jeez, I almost fell. I wonder. Oh jeez.
I wonder what.
I wonder how far away you have to be without getting hurt, or like how close you could be without getting hurt. I mean. I didn't bring any vests though. Where's the shrapnel? Oh, here it is. Piece of shrapnel.
What are you looking for?
I was just showing the viewers that plastic. Oh my God! Stop! That's a
I'm having a lot of fun with matches.
27 time. Billy, I'm going to shoot you. You're gonna.
I'm gonna die. You know that you can actually light matches. You don't even have to have that. You just gotta do this.
Wait. Stop! Seriously.
What?
Stop. Please. Please. Oh, jeez. Oh, the foot's on fire. Billy, this foot is going to catch on fire because of you. the second part of it, at least.
Hey, oh, look, see this match? Oh, shoot, it lit! It lit! Step on it!
Could you stop throwing it at me?
Yeah, I will. Damn it,
Stop wasting my matches. We might actually need to use them. And
dude, how many fucking matches there are?
that's what I thought too with the other 2 packs. Alright, well, we're going to have to end this video because it's going to be too long. Do not catch the bridge on fire. No. No.
It's on your shoe. I wonder if it'd be like to get 5 matches at the same time.
Alright, well,
oh, wait, what?
Billy, you've already used half the pack. Yes, so quick. Stop trying to catch the bridge on fire. Alright, well.
Let's get all these at once.
Bill, stop. Billy, stop. Just stop. Just stop. Okay, just stop. Jeez. I don't even know what we're doing anymore. Oh, but we built this bridge. But I think I don't know which video's coming out first though. Video of how we built bridge and all the improvements, or this video. Please don't. The bridge is on fire because of you. Stop. Stop. It was on fire for a second. Billy! Oh!
When you thought I was going to launch something.
Well, actually on this side it's actually not fire.
When you be the one to call and I lose control of something. Hi.
Alright, well, thank you for watching. Billy's still playing with matches. I'm going to go over here. I don't trust him. With matches. Oh, gee. This is just like a grenade that's just sitting there. It like didn't go off yet. That's what I imagined.
Yeah, I was imagining that too.
Oh, you know what we need to build?
What?
We need to build a hole like the size of this one, just to throw grenades into. We should buy those airsoft grenades. Those like one-time use airsoft grenades to make it realistic. You know? Anyways, well, I'm making this video too long. Thank you for checking in. No one really goes on my channel. So thank you. And please subscribe. Like the video.
Please don't subscribe, but kill him.
Please
Go
do
to his
subscribe.
channel, go to his homepage, click on channels, and go to my channel, Billy Crutch Show's second channel.
Oh yeah?
Go subscribe to mine too, you faggots.
Go subscribe. Good. Water. And that's it.
And we'll see you guys next time.
See you guys next time.